Hello students, see we are discussing chapter 7 coordinate geometry of class 10 and we are doing NCERT exercise 7.2. It is question first, find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -17, 4 minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. So let us draw one figure here for this. Suppose it is A and this one is B. The coordinates of A and B are given. It is -17 and 4 minus 3. And suppose this is the point where it is divided into 2:3 ratio. So this point P coordinates we have to find. Here M1 ratio M2 is equal to 2:3. And of course, this one is x1, y1 and this one is x2, y2. So what is section formula? Section formula internally we can say. M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2. This is the formula. It is for internal intersection. If this intersection is external intersection, in that case it will become minus here only. This is the variation. So these are the coordinates of point P. M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2 and M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. Now we have to put just these values of M1, M2 and x1, y1 and x2, y2. So we will get on solution 2 into 4 plus 3 into M1 x2 plus M2 x1 3 into minus 1 upon M1 plus M2 means 2 plus 3. M1 y2 means 2 into minus 3. 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 7. 3 into 7 upon M1 plus M2, that is 2 plus 3. So what we will get here? See, 2 4 the 8 minus 3 upon 5 comma 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus 21 upon 5. So lastly we can conclude that coordinates of P will be what? It is 5 upon 5 comma 21 minus 6 is 15. 15 upon 5, that is 3 we can say. And here it is 5 on the 5. So the coordinates of point P will be 1 comma 3. This is the solution of the given question. Now see, it is the 8th question. If A and B are -2, -2, 2 comma -4 means these are the coordinates of point A and B respectively. Find the coordinates of P such that here given condition is AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. So let us see what we can do here. This is the line segment AB and we can mention it in this manner. AP upon AB is equal to what? AP upon AB is equal to 3 upon 7. Or we may write it like this also. AP upon AP plus PB is equal to 3 upon 3 plus 4. We can write it in this manner also because this is AP only. So we may write it AP plus PB. So what it mentions? It mentions that AP ratio PB will be 3:4. Therefore, AP ratio PB is equal to 3:4. So here we have done this for getting the ratio. 3:4 is the ratio. Now coordinates of A and B are -2 respectively and 2 minus 4. So we may mention here it as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now see what we can do. Here we can mention that m1 ratio m2 is equal to what? 3 ratio 4. This is the one given condition according to which we have find out the ratio of m1 and m2, means in which this P is dividing AB. AB is divided by P in ratio 3 ratio 4 here. So now let us see what we can do. Section formula. Or we may say internal section formula. That is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. These are the coordinates of point P. So P will be equal to, the coordinates of P will be 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 2. 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 4. And here it is 3 into minus 4 plus 4 into minus 2. 3 into minus 4 plus 4 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 4. It is minus 2, okay? This one. So, now on solving this, we will get 6 minus 8 upon 7 and minus 7 minus 8 upon 7. So, the coordinates of P will be what? Minus 2 upon 7 and minus 15 upon 7. They can't be cancelled. So these are the coordinates of point P, and this is the solution for question 8. Sorry, here it is 3 into 4, that is minus 12. So it will be minus 20 upon 7. It was by mistake minus 7 written. Now let us see question 9th. It is find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A, that is minus 2, 2, and B, that is 2, 8, into 4 equal parts. So here it is AB, and suppose 4 equal parts are mentioned in this manner: one part, second part, third part, and fourth part. All the parts are equal, so we can assign it P, Q, and R respectively. Here you can see it is 1 ratio, how much? It is 1, and that one is 1, 2, 3. So 1 ratio 3 here for P, and for Q the ratio is 2 ratio 2. See, it is 1, 2, and this is also 1, 2. 2 ratio 2, and here it is 3 ratio 1. Let us write the coordinates of A and B respectively: minus 2, 2, and here it is B, which is 2, 8. So for point P, ratio is 1 ratio 3. Section formula: m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Here x1 y1 will remain same every time. So for P, we are determining the coordinates now. It is 1 into, what is value of x2? 2. This is x1 y1. and this is x2 y2. So 1 into 2 plus 3 into minus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 upon 1 plus 3 comma 1 into 8 plus 3 into 2 upon 1 plus 3. It is for P. Now what will be for Q? See, for Q it will be, for Q it is 2:2, or we can say 1:1. 2:2 can be written as 1:1 because 2 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 1 only. And for R it is 3:1. For Q and for R. Here the ratios are mentioned for all the 3 points P, Q and R. So for Q we are writing 1 into 2 plus 1 into minus 2. This is 1 into 2 plus 1 into minus 2. Why it is 1? Because 2 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 1 upon 1 plus 1. And here it is 1 into 8 plus 1 into 2 upon 1 plus 1. And for R, see, for R we can write, what we can write here for R? 3 into 2 plus 1 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 1 comma 3 into 8 plus 1 into 2 upon 3 plus 1. So this will become, see, P, coordinates of P will be 2 minus 6 upon 4 comma 8 plus 6 upon 4. Here it is 2 minus 6, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. And for Q, coordinates will be what? 2 minus 2 upon 2 and 8 plus 2 upon 2. And for R, it is 6 minus 2 upon 4 and 3 is the 24 plus 2, 24 plus 2 upon 4. So what we will get finally, the coordinates of P will be 2 minus 6, that is minus 4 upon 4. I can write it directly minus 1. And 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 upon 4 is 7 upon 2. 1 minus 1 comma 7 upon 2. Coordinates of Q will be 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 upon 2 is 0 only. And coordinates of R will be what? 6 minus 2, that is 4 upon 4, that will be 1. And 24 plus 2, that is 26 upon 4, that is 13 upon 2. So these are the coordinates of P, Q and R respectively, which is needed to be determined. So this question 9 is over. And thanks a lot for watching our channel, and please do subscribe our channel, like it and share it as much as possible.